This is a non-glass lift at the Frederiksberg Shopping Center, Frederiksberg, Copenhagen, Denmark. That door reverse is bouncing like crazy. Go up to parking ring 4P1. The other one was just P. Here we go. This is a KONE MonoSpace from 2014. MonoSpace 500. Sorry about the indicator flashing. Voice is like higher pitched than usual. Maybe it's older. I guess this door is ridiculously slow. No, I can't make it any faster. And it reverses into it too. Back on the guard or God plan inspection. It's a KONE MonoSpace 500. And it has a stainless steel cap. We have KSS 570, I'm just going to call it that. If I go guard, God plan. It closes and that's going to be it. Just want the camera in it.